everyone, welcome to Sweetie Love Kitchen. On the menu today, Sweetie Love, what are you working with today, girl? Well, Sweetie Love family, I'm going to make some vegan chocolate ice cream. Say what now? Yes, I'm going to make some vegan chocolate ice cream because whenever I eat regular ice cream, oh child, I'm so bloated. It looks like I'm like 4 months pregnant. But I have a substitute for you guys. So let me show you what I'm working with today. So we have our chocolate powder. And this is our base. We're using coconut milk. Yes, coconut milk and ice cream. Yes, it's gonna make it so rich and creamy and smooth. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So we're gonna use 3 cans of coconut milk. It doesn't matter what brand you use. I prefer this brand, and I couldn't get. I ordered it online, so they give me 2 of this one and 1 of this one. This is an organic one, but all of them are organic. It doesn't matter. So this is my base, my coconut milk, and I refrigerate it for 24 hours. And the reason being because you want to get that custard on top, so when you whip it, it's so creamy and fluffy and nice, and that what make the ice cream more creamy and smooth and rich. So yes, so if you're interested, stick around, and your girl Sweetie Love New York will hook you up. And for sweetening, some people use condensed milk, but we try to be on the healthy side, you know, and if we say it's organic, so we try not to use sweet milk. So instead, a substitute, we're going to use some dates, and this is about a cup of dates. If you want it to be much sweeter, then you can add more dates. So Sweetie Love, how are you going to do it? Well, if you're interested, just stick around, because I'm going to blend this with this, and that will give us our condensed milk. And then we incorporate the rest of the ingredients together. So if you're interested in your girl Sweetie Love New York making her organic homemade chocolate ice cream, stick around. I'm gonna set up everything and then I'll be right back. Okay, Sweetie Love family, so now that we have all of our ingredients situated, so don't mind my NutriBullet. I did some turmeric in it and it's stained it, but that's okay. So this is the coconut milk that I have. So first I'm going to open it. It already has the thingy on it, so be careful. I'm just going to pop it open. Ooh, look at that. Look at that bad boy. Yes. Okay, Sweetie Love fan. So it's not really a mistake, but what you can do when you refrigerate the coconut milk, you flip it upside it down, so the water will go on the bottom or the top. Which one? The top, and then you scoop out the creamy part of it, which is this. But it doesn't matter. So this is how I'm gonna do it. There's no right or wrong way in cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna just cream. Oh my goodness, look at it. This is how you want it, guys. Can I get a close up my camera? Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. So we're just gonna put this into our thingy, our NutriBullet. Wow, this is how you want it because it's gonna have that creamy, nice texture. Wow, amazing. And I'm gonna show you what I was talking about earlier. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this ice cream. Okay, so you see, this is what I'm talking about. After you freeze it, the water will settle at the bottom. We don't need this water. You can discard it if you want, or you want to make your smoothie, or you want to drink it, it's fine. Right now, all I'm interested in is just finishing this video and eat it. Okay. Let's get everything to the last drop. Where's my spatula thingy? Alright. Alright. Okay, now. Alright, so the next step, let's just push this forward. So we have our dates. so we're just gonna put our dates in. Okay, and then we're gonna cover it. We're gonna set it but not forget it. Okay, we're gonna flip it upside down. Badam! Let's move it forward and let's start the process. So this, I'm just going to show you how it is, the texture of it. Look at it. Wow. So this is our condensed milk. This is the vegan way. You know, you could boil it on, like you could put it on the stove and make it into a custard, but I'm not doing that. So this is the easy way. So now what I'm going to do, listen to me, I know what I'm talking about. My daughter's looking at me like I'm cray-cray. Custard? Custard, yeah. Look it up, daughter. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to get my coconut milk. Oh, ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, so now I'm going to flip it upside down. And the reason being, I want to get the liquid to the bottom and the cream to the top. So now that I flipped it, flip it. So now I'm gonna cut it open. Okay. I wanna see this. As I stated before, guys, this is my first time making it. Be careful. Ooh. Okay, Sweetie Love family. So now that I cut the coconut milk and I pour it out in a bowl. This is 2 cans. So now I'm gonna get my whip stir, my whip stingy, and then I'm gonna whip my coconut milk until it's fluffy and creamy. Alright, Sweetie Love family, look at it, so fluffy and nice. Just look at it. So now I'm going to, let's push this back. I'm going to pour in our dates and coconut milk that we had pureed before. So as I stated to you before, this will be our condensed milk. And then I'm going to add the cocoa powder in it. So I'm just going to pour it out. Ooh. And fold it in. Guys, I was getting ahead of myself. I told you that I'm gonna fold it in, and I was there pouring the whole thing in. But you know, I'm so excited in making it. It's okay though. As I stated before, there's no wrong or right way to make ice cream, or to cook for that matter. So my daughter said I'm an amateur. That's right, she's correct. This is the first time I'm making it, so it doesn't matter. I'm just mixing it in. We're not gonna fold it in, we're just gonna mix it in. Ooh, look at it. So the next step is I'm gonna add 1 cup of my, ta-da! My cocoa powder. All right, guys, look at that. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna get my container and I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, Sweetie Love family, so here are the 8 cups now. I taste it and it's a little bit too bitter for my taste. So what I'm gonna do, the same container that I have, I just put 2 bananas in, and I'm just gonna pour some of this liquid in it to puree it, and then I'm gonna pour it in. All right, so the mixture, pour it in. I already poured some in before, but it wasn't recording, so I just poured the rest. And then I'm just gonna mix it in. Look at it, so rich and creamy. Oh my goodness. And nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my container. I'm gonna get my container, which is this. You could use any silicone container or an ice cream container. So I'm just gonna pour it in, and the remain I'm gonna make popsicle. Not too much. I think this is, yep. Ooh, nice. And then I'm just gonna make a little Sweetie Love swirl. Look at it. So I'm gonna refrigerate it for 24 hours, and tomorrow I'll do the presentation. Peace. Alright guys, there you have it, our homemade ice cream. Look at it, looking so good, so yummy, so scrumptious. All the adjectives that you can think of to describe this homemade ice cream. Beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button, share, comment, and subscribe. Look at it. Just take a time and just zoom in. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Look at it. I can't wait to dig in. Oh my god, let's take some pictures. Ching ching. It's amazing. So if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends.